So Flyability and Cygnus decided to partner together because we have very complementary technologies and there's perfect brand alignment. We are present in the same market spaces, and as we found out from working together, our underpinning values are really well aligned too.
What makes the partnership between Cygnus and Flyability so strong is not just the technology, it's the people. On the tech side, we are bringing together complementary strengths that allow us to push boundaries and deliver real value to the industry. But what truly makes the difference is the human match. Our teams share the same mindset, the same energy, and the same drive to make things happen.
The collaboration between Flyability and Cygnus has really been exceptional, both on the technological side and being able to release this real game changer of a technology in the NDT world, but also on the human side. So being able to work with two companies that have such an alignment in terms of vision and in terms of really reputation and wanting to improve what we currently have.
We decided to partner with Cygnus because we really were looking for a very credible partner in the NDT UT world that was willing to work tightly with us and really co-develop a product that is now really unique.
So what Flyability and Cygnus have done together has been to integrate Cygnus's ultrasonic testing technology onto Flyability's Elios 3 aerial drone.
We're not just strapping a UT probe on a drone. This only could happen with Cygnus, with whom we've been working during the development for a long time and with a very forward-looking vision and great collaborators.
Cygnus Instruments and Flyability have been working over the last 3 years to develop the UTM gauge to fit onto the drone for taking thickness measurements. So we have 3 different variants of twin crystal probes for different applications, and we are developing currently the single crystal probe specifically more for maritime applications. The collaboration between Flyability and Cygnus has been extremely good. We're seeing benefits both sides.
So we decided to partner with Cygnus because of their 40 years plus experience in the field. They have a very good link with the maritime industry, which we are also targeting with our drone. They are trustable, they have a very good image where we want to be.
It's a combination of innovation and collaboration that gives our partnership such a solid foundation and such an exciting future.